Hi, my name is Robin Jensen. We're here today for ARTFEST, which is an event that brings more than 200 students to NSCAD's Port Campus. In collaboration with NSCAD's Extended Studies, we've organized this two-day event for high school students from all over HRCE. It's an amazing opportunity for these students to access tools, techniques, and ideas that they may not get in their regular art class, and to connect with each other and build community.
What I really liked about ARTFEST is that you could create new art with people that you haven't met before, but there's always the vibe of an artist that's open to creating new things. I plan on applying to NSCAD for the photography program. I already went to NSCAD last summer for the pre-university program, and it was honestly the best time of my life, like one of the best summers I've had.
What I personally love about art is just being able to interpret my own thoughts and feelings onto paper. For me, being able to actually interpret things through images and colors is a huge way I experience the world.
I think it's really important for students, especially high school students, to have the opportunity to try some different workshops that they may not be able to do in the context of a regular art class, simply because materials are not as available. So to have, over 100 students that are really motivated to create art in one space is really exciting.
My favorite thing about the workshops today was I got to do screen printing, which is like a medium that I wouldn't normally try because it's kind of expensive and you need a lot of materials, but it was a really good opportunity to try something new and get to do a medium that I wouldn't do otherwise, and it was really fun and messy and I want to do it again. I've definitely considered becoming an art student at NSCAD. It's a really good community, and getting to do all these different kinds of mediums. I know that NSCAD offers opportunities to do a lot of different stuff, and that's really exciting.
I could definitely see myself trying to become a student here. I'm in between that and childcare, so this is definitely one of my options I'm planning to apply to.
This is my second year coming to ARTFEST, so it's really fun to get to see and meet other artists from all the different places and get to make art with them.